Marami ang tatamaan dito and this is going to be very uncomfortable. Pasintabi lang sa mga possible na masaktan but I have to do this kasi I believe maraming traders ang kailangan makarinig nito. Ano ba talaga yung reason bakit? Marami talagang traders ang masusunog. In fact, 80% and only 20% traders lang talaga ang naging profitable. Not because crypto failed, not because hindi gumagalaw yung Bitcoin, but because they never change who was operating the account. Ibig sabihin, ano ba yung pagkatao mo or yung identity mo as a trader the moment you operate your account. Kasi at the end of the day, same chart lang naman, same market, same opportunities. Pero bakit nag-iiba yung outcome? Because again, the operator, which is the trader, stay the same. Let's be honest, no, every year, crypto gives us new narratives. Pansin nyo, nung 2017, sa mga OG dito, 2017, nandyan yung IDO, initial DEX offering, tsaka mga ICO, initial coin offering. Ang dami. Tapos, moving forward, pagdating ng 2020, nagkaroon ng DeFi, tapos 2021, pumasok na yung Axie, Play to Earn, tas NFTs. Iba-ibang narrative. So, iba-ibang token, iba-ibang cycle. But of course, this is going to be a new chance to win. And yet, accounts still die at the same rate. Yung mga liquidation, nagpa-pile up. Kaya kung pupunta kayo sa coinglass.com, makikita nyo doon, ang dami pa ring mga liquidations. So, let's be honest, if market keeps moving, but the results stay the same, then the problem isn't the market anymore. The problem is the trader or the operator. There are two types of traders. Trader A follows the rules and then stop trading when invalidated na yung setup niya. Pero i-compare naman natin to with Trader B na nag-chase ng mga moves, ng mga pumps, tapos yung mga stop loss binababa, ginagalaw, tapos nagre-revenge trade. Eventually, they reset every few months with the same excuses.